Hi, my name is Johnny and welcome to my course, Earnest Affiliate. So I've been traveling pretty much full-time and making money online now for the last 3 years. And I've been featured on places like Business Insider, Entrepreneur.com, and I've helped a lot of people start websites and blogs, and they make a full-time living from it. In fact, one of my best friends has just moved out here to Thailand to join me because he's been making so much money online that he was able to quit his full-time job. And pretty much every other week I meet someone either in person or they email me just thanking me saying, hey, thank you so much for your advice. It's really changed my life. I've been able to quit my job that I hated or just wasn't going anywhere, and I've been able to travel and kind of just really enjoy life. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this course is because there's a lot of information out there about how to make money online, how to start a blog, how to start a website, and a lot of it's confusing. Like, just to be completely honest, I don't know every single thing out there about private blog networks and cost per action and all these different terms that you might have come across. And honestly, you don't need to know all those things. You know, the way I make money with my blog is pretty simple. I recommend products that I already use, and I recommend it in a way where, you know, I add a lot of value. I give a very personal touch. People can see that, you know, I'm really reviewing this product because I believe in it and I personally use it. That's what people want before they buy something. They can read a review or see a testimonial from anyone, but wouldn't you rather get that recommendation from a friend, from someone you trust, and also be able to see kind of someone who's actually used that product before? And that's why my blog does so well. And I make between $1,500 to $4,000 a month for my blog pretty consistently. And the crazy thing is, you might not even realize, my blog is hosted for free. It's not even a WordPress blog. There's nothing crazy technical on it. It's just a free blog that I put up for my friends and family about 2 years ago. And I figured out a way with affiliate marketing how I can make pretty much a full-time income from just blogging. I'm a serial entrepreneur, so I also make money from my dropshipping stores. In fact, pretty much up until this point, I've always made more from my e-commerce stores than my blog. My blog has always been a side hobby, never really spent that much time on it. I would write, 1 or 2 blog posts a week, really just whenever I felt like it, and I never did any keyword research. So in this course, I'm not gonna have you, go through the basics and then say, okay, well now you need to buy this keyword research program, you need to buy this keyword spy program, you need to do all this, complicated, crazy stuff. There's none of that. There's no keyword research. It's very basic and very straightforward. So if you do join the course, I'm going to show you pretty much step by step, what to name your blog. If you should use your personal name, a pen name, or name it something to do with your niche. The second is picking your niche and say, okay, if I have a blog that's about everything and everyone, nobody's going to read it. The reason why my blog is so successful, and I don't just have one blog. I have specific blogs. I have one that just focuses on the sport of Muay Thai in Thailand. And I have another blog about travel and business. And each of these blogs, I pick a niche for. And I say, okay, this is going to be all I'm going to talk about on this blog. And it makes it very easy for the reader to come and say, this guy is an expert in this, this specific topic, and you can be as well. And you might be thinking, well, you're not an expert on something. I promise you, if there's something that you're interested in, you know more already about that topic than a lot of people out there. And here's the really, really cool thing is people don't want to learn necessarily just from experts. They can read a book or they can, go take a class if they really want to learn just from an expert. The reason why people follow these personal blogs is because they want to follow someone's journey. And that's why my blog is actually called Follow My Journey. And the blog posts that have given me the most traffic, the most amount of visitors, as well as ended up paying me the most amount of money were the 30-day challenges or the reviews, the personal experiences. And this is what people want. So please join the course if you are interested in learning how to set up a blog, how to pick a niche, how to do very basic affiliate marketing where it has nothing to do with paid ads or mobile pop-ups or Facebook cloning or anything crazy. Just the basics on how to find products and courses and books that you can make an affiliate commission from. And if you're curious, what are some of these products? It can literally be anything. This microphone I'm using right now, this I bought on Amazon for about $150. This is the one I recommend because this is the one that I personally use. And when I recommend it, I get paid an affiliate commission for it. So follow the course. I'm going to show you step by step inside exactly how to get started, and how to create a blog, pick a niche, get approved by affiliate programs, start getting traffic without the use of complicated private blog networks or even any kind of paid advertising. So when you join the course, there's nothing else really to buy. It's very straightforward. I'll see you inside, and you have 60 days to get your money back if it's not for you. But I really, really believe that this is going to be the easiest possible thing you can ever do. So I hope to see you inside Earnest Affiliate. Sign up today. Bye-bye. Alright, so before we get started, I want to show you a sneak peek of what exactly is inside the course when you sign up as a paid member of Earnest Affiliate. I want to be very, very straightforward so you know exactly what you're going to be getting. So first off, you're going to get unlimited lifetime access as well as all the updates to all the modules that are constantly being updated, all the videos, and to myself. You have membership to the forums, as well as all the different modules to help you get started. So regardless if you are a complete beginner and this is the first time you've ever created a blog or website, or if you already make some money online and you want to step up your game and say, I want to learn from someone who's making over $10,000 a month in online income and I want to replicate that. So in the first video, this is just an introduction. And the reason why I want to have this is I want to make sure that everybody's on the same page. Everybody's going to download the course checklist so you can follow straight through and know what to do step by step. Now, the very first module is all about what actual affiliate marketing is, as well as how being an Earnest affiliate differs from being just another affiliate marketer. Now, before everyone actually gets started, I actually want you to take the pledge, an Earnest pledge, and say, because I'm going to be divulging a lot of personal and confidential information with you guys, and I want to make sure that anyone who's going to be representing Earnest Affiliate to be honest and ethical, as well as I know that you guys are going to make so much more money with your blog and your website. It's going to be so much more successful if you really are earnest about it. Now, if you take a look at all the other modules, in section 2, in module 2, right away we're going to go into niche selection. And then in module 3, this is going to be getting approved by affiliate networks. Now, sometimes it's a little daunting because there's hundreds of affiliate networks out there, but I promise you, by the time you finish the step 3 videos, you're going to be approved by your first 2 networks, the 2 that I recommend everyone get started with. That is very easy to get approved, doesn't cost any money, and right away you can start selling. Now, on module 4, this is the core where I'm going to show you step by step how to build a website or a blog. And the very cool thing is there's no upsells in here. You can buy, you can sign up, you can buy a theme for a blog, but you really don't have to. In this whole course, there's going to be no upsells. I'm not going to have you spend another $39 a month on a keyword research tool or have to build a private network, blog network when we get to the traffic module. All of this is going to be your earnest work. And what's great about it is this is proven because I've done this not only for my own blog, but all of my blogs, as well as all the students that are now in the course are now doing exceptionally well. In the traffic module, I'm going to teach you the very basics of on-page SEO. And what that means is just how to optimize titles and little tips and tricks that you can do on your own website. Now, I don't personally use any external SEO. So all that complicated stuff that you hear about search engine optimization, building a private blog network, getting backlinks, checking for PR, we don't need to do any of that stuff. We don't care about the page rank. It does not matter. And what's awesome is I get thousands and thousands and thousands of visitors all for free from big sources like Business Insider, from places like entrepreneur.com, from Reddit, from different forum posts. And you'll be surprised how much free traffic you can get by using these systems. Now, the case studies, this is what I'm really, really excited about. I want to show you what the case studies are because this is my confidential information. This is the stuff that I teach my students, that I show you exactly what is in the back end of all my stores. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of 2 of my of my income sources right now, but inside these case studies, I show you everything. I show you the exact products I'm promoting, the traffic methods I get from it, and exactly how much I'm making from it. So let's get ready. So the first one I want to show you is ClickBank. This is one of the networks that I use and I recommend that you start with. I don't use ClickBank that much this year anymore, even though I still make quite a bit of money from them. But last year, this was my big focus. And then I'll explain exactly why in the videos. But ClickBank is so easy to get started with. It's not necessarily the one you want to continue using for the next, after your first year, which is why my first year on ClickBank, I made $43,000. And this is in profit. This is my commission in my bank. And I'm going to show you exactly what products I was promoting, the traffic sources, and how you can replicate it in your own niche as well. Now, here is my most current updated partner networks. This is what I'm really, really excited about because this is actually just one of the 10 that I use. And I still make some money off of ClickBank, but now I've moved on to bigger and better networks that have less competition and are much, much better once you've established yourself a bit. So I want to show you exactly how much I've been making these last couple months. So starting just earlier this year, I started really kind of ramping it up and making $600 a month up to $1,200 a month. Because if you take a look, this is actually paid every 2 weeks. So in January, I already made $1,600. And if you keep looking up this month already, I'm already making over $2,300. So these are the confidential case studies that I'm going to go into detail with. I'm going to show you the exact products that I'm promoting, how to get approved by these affiliate networks, how to drive free traffic to your blog, how to convert them into paying customers and commission, all while doing this honestly and ethically. So I'm really, really excited to see you inside of the course. I want to see you make as much money as I am, if not more. And it's very, very simple. You can just follow the step-by-step formula, even if you've never started a blog before. And once you're inside, I guarantee you're going to learn everything that I know about how to build a blog, how to build massive traffic without using any paid ads, and how to start getting paid for your content, because you earn it and you deserved it. So see you inside EarnestAffiliate.com. Bye-bye.